Pete back into his shed. He was so happy to be home. Oh, I'm back from overhaul. What did I bloody God miss? You missed the popcorn maker, laughed Stanley. I missed what? Stanley, are you feeling okay? Oh, I'm fine. Welcome home, buddy. Oh, it's good to be home. So I hear my big brother was looking at my sunshine, huh? Stanley chuckled. Yup. There's no confusion or delay with him. None whatsoever. Oh, what you watching? Like usual, horse racing. It's closing week at the Woodbine. And Narva is finishing up for the year. Until the 10-day Christmas break. Ah, nice, Pete. And this other track is Fragments. What other track are we watching today? This track called Los Alamitos. Apparently they have a Kentucky Derby prep today. Oh yeah, it's that time of year again. You know, I do have something to say on that. What, the Kentucky Derby? No, on the track that owns it. Actually. Oh, go for it. Why did you take away Medina's Kentucky Derby win? Did Pete. He won it fair and square with his heart and talent. And he was dealing with a rash that had to get treated. This is the last time we're saying it. But I think Bob is going to win the Kentucky Derby again next year. Oh, I agree there, says Stanley. By the way, speaking of Bob, Buffett, he has 3 horses in this Kentucky Derby prep today at Los Alamitos. Those is a Milkia, Gaming, and Getawaycar. Oh god, that was Getawaycar is named after the Taylor Swift song. She has no talent. Yeah, I hear you, said Stanley. Wannabe. She's a wannabe. With no talent. I did hear some Christmas carols at the station today. As I was leaving Crumb's Gate. Ooh, what was that? Said Stanley. What was that? Let's see. Take the Horse, Frosty the Snowman, and Rudolph. Ah, the classics, said Stanley. You know, artists nowadays, they do Christmas albums, they do their own versions of the Christmas classics. My favorite is Christmas Releases was by John Denver. Oh yes, said Pete. He went with the Muppets twice. Yes, Christmas Together and Rocky Mountain Holiday. Man, it's gonna hurt in the feels when his birthday comes up at the end of this month. You know, I had an idea, said Pete. Huh? What's your idea, said Stanley? Well, to celebrate his birthday, which is January 31st, we shall play one of his CDs in the shed. Good idea, said Stanley. Well, one. Let's see. What do we have in our stack? Oh, how about this one? Ah, Stanley. Ah, said Stanley. Take Me to Tomorrow. Ha! That's a classic. I think that's one of his earliest albums, and when he RCA. Yes, I remember we played it a few times at Southampton Ducks. In fact, we like the Beatles too. Do we have anything Beatles in the shed since Sunday? Let me see. We have a little bit. We got Yellow Submarine, Let It Be, St. Pepper Band. A Hard's Night Day Out. We have a nice Christmas collection, a nice music selection in here. Any other country artists? Stanley? Oh yes, Al Jackson. Good time. Be Christmas. Honky Tonk Christmas. Pulse Press soundtrack. Oh, yeah. Anyway, so Stanley, thank you so much for watching. Yes, Sir Pete. Goodbye.